Welcome back class. In this class we'll discuss about type of dissolution testing apparatus. Dissolution testing is done to characterize the dissolution properties of a drug, the active drug release and availability in the delivered form. Dissolution is very important parameter in drug formulation and developing quality control specifications for manufacturing processes. There are different type of dissolution. According to United States of Pharmacopoeia, there are 7 types of dissolution apparatus. Type 1 basket type, type 2 paddle type, type 3 reciprocating cylinder type, type 4 flow through cell type 5 paddle over disc type 6 rotating cylinder type, and type 7 reciprocating disc type. We'll discuss all types in detail. Number 1 is rotating basket type. Rotating basket type made up of borosilicate glass hemispherical at bottom. Capacity is about 1000 ml. Shaft and basket made up of SS316 stainless steel 316. Cylindrical basket made up of 22 mesh. Shaft must be rotating smoothly without significant wobbles. Speed is maintained between 25 to 150 RPM. Uses tablets, capsule, delayed release form, suppositories, floating dosage are evaluated using type 1 apparatus. Type 2 apparatus are paddle type. They are made up of borosilicate glass, semi-hemispherical bottom. Capacity is 1000 ml. Paddle is made up of Teflon and stainless steel grade 316. Metallic suitably inert rigid plate. Water bath is maintained at 37 plus or minus 0.5 degrees centigrade, and formulations such as tablets, oral disintegrating tablets, chewable tablets, capsules, control release products are evaluated using paddle type apparatus, type 2 type of apparatus. Then we have type 3 apparatus, which are also called as reciprocating cylinder type of apparatus. Set of cylindrical flat bottom glass vessels, set of reciprocating cylinders, fittings of made up of stainless steel 316, and screens made up of non-absorbing and non-reactive material. Agitation type is reciprocating, and RPM is maintained between 5 to 35 RPM. Volume of medium is 200 to 250 ml. Water bath is maintained at 37 plus or minus 5 degrees centigrade. Coming to uses, control release formulations and chewable tablets are evaluated using type 3 type of dissolution apparatus. And we have type 4 dissolution apparatus, which are also called as flow through cell apparatus. Basically they consist of a reservoir for the dissolution medium and pump that forces dissolution medium through the cell holdings, the test samples. So peristaltic and centrifugal pumps are not recommended. Flow rate is maintained at 10 to 100 ml per minute. Laminar flow is maintained. Water bath is maintained at 37 plus or minus 0.5 degrees centigrade. Low soluble drugs, then powders, granules, microparticles and implants are commonly evaluated using this type of dissolution apparatus. We can see in the pictures tablets, 12 mm tablets, 22.6 mm tablets. For powders and granules, how flow through cells are arranged, implant, and for suppositories and soft gelatin capsules, we can see in this image. Next you have type 5 dissolution testing apparatus, which is also called as paddle over disc type of apparatus. These are similar to type 2 apparatus. The only difference is disc is placed beneath the paddle, and the formulation to be evaluated, it may be the transdermal patch or it may be ointment, is placed on that particular disc. So coming to users, transdermal patches, ointments, floaters and emulsions can be evaluated using paddle over disc type. Capacity is again same 1000 ml and made up of Teflon and stainless steel. RPM is maintained between 25 to 50. Then we have type 6 dissolution apparatus, which is also called as rotating cylinder apparatus. They are similar to the type 1 apparatus. The only difference is basket is replaced by rotating cylinder, which is made up of even stainless steel. Sample is mounted to the inner porous cellulosic material at which adheres to the cylinder. Dosage unit is placed in cylinder and released from side out. Water bath is maintained at 32 plus or minus 0.5 degrees centigrade. Coming to uses, transdermal patches and solid dosage forms are commonly evaluated using this method. Then you have last method, or reciprocating disc type of dissolution apparatus. Vessel is flat bottom cylindrical vessel. Volume of dissolution medium is 900 ml. Sample is placed on disc shaped holder or different type of holders, which we are seeing in the next slide, going to see next slide. Agitation is reciprocating. Frequency is 30 cycles per minute. Water bath is maintained at 32 plus or minus 0.5 degrees centigrade. Control release formulations, non-disintegrating oral formulations and transdermal formulations are evaluated using a type 7 reciprocating holders. We can see in the picture acrylic rod type holder, Teflon cylinder, spring holder, reciprocating disc, and angel disc type of holders. So in this class we discussed 7 different types of dissolution apparatus: basket type, paddle type, reciprocating cylinder type, flow through cell type, paddle over disc type, rotating cylinder type, and reciprocating holder type, and different